So yan, negative 1 minus 1, that would become negative 2. Basta, nakita niyo yung magkaibang? Okay, so ito pa yung technique na isa. For example, negative 1 yan. And, pinapa-evaluate sa inyo sa x raised to 27. So, mag-multiply ba kayo ng madami? So, ganito lang yung technique. Kapag negative 1 yung ito, papalit mo dyan. Therefore, kapag even number, that would be positive. Kapag odd number yung exponent, that would become negative. So, itong 27 na to, is it positive or negative? That would become negative 1. Kasi nga, odd number siya. How about x raised to 50?
Even.
That would be positive. Or even, or positive. Ganun lang. Positive or negative. What if you evaluate x raised to 101? May ganun.
Negative.
That would become negative. Ganun lang yung alalahanin pag ganito. Okay? So kapag negative 1 yung pinapa-substitute or pinapa-evaluate sa inyo, kapag even number itong exponent, that would become positive. Kapag odd number naman, that would become negative. Iyan, change your background. Okay. So let's try to have another example. Okay, so let's try to have this. P of x is equal to x raised to 5 minus 6x raised to 4 plus 3x, x cubed minus 7. Okay. So, let's try if naalala nyo pa yung kanina. What is the leading coefficient?
Negative x5.
That would be negative coefficient, leading coefficient. Ian, what is the leading coefficient?
5.
What is the leading coefficient?
Negative 6. Ay, 1.
1. Okay, so what is the leading term? Clark. What is the leading term?
Sir, ako alam ko.
Mamaya.
Si Clark.
Ay,
Ha?
leading term.
Leading term. Ano yun, Clark?
Ano po yung sir?
Di nakikinig, sir.
What is the
Sa
leading
school yung
term?
delikado yun ang
Hindi ko alam, sir.
Sir, kanina pa yan nandyan, di siya nakikinig, guy.
Ako'y sabog na. Okay, how about Eugene? What is the leading
Sabog na
term?
naman ang isip.
Eugene, what is the leading term?
Wait lang. Wait lang. Para mali akong ginawa.
May mali daw siyang ginawa. Sige, pagpasensya natin yung mali niyang ginawa. Let's wait for Eugene, Rod.
Patawad ka namin, YouTube.
Okay, how about Emil? What is the leading? What is the constant term?
Ha?
Ha? What is the constant term?
Wait lang, sir. Pag-isipan.
Okay. Cyrus, what is the
Constant.
leading? What is the constant term?
Leading term. Leading o constant?
Constant.
It's...
Wait, isa
Wait
din.
lang, sir.
Isa
Pag
din.
sila,
Sir,
matagal-tagal ako, mabilis. Yan!
Sir, ako, try ko.
Ano?
Sir, try ko.
Yes.
Ay, dapat-
Pansin kayo, di kayo na si Cyrus. Ano ba?
Constant term.
Constant term. -7.
That would be -7. How about the degree.
O, ikaw na sa Rose. Pagbigyan
O, sa'yo, Rose.
Parang magsasalita si Cyrus.
Mali, dapat kainin.
Cyrus?
Yes.
What is the degree of this polynomial?
Green na naman.
Hala sila? Oh, what is the leading term? What is the leading
Leading
coefficient?
term 1.
Constant term tsaka degree. Leading term?
Sir, alam ko na yung degree. Alam ko na yung degree.
Oh, ano yung degree?
5.
5. Ano naman ang constant term? Kanina, negative
Negative
7. Ano yung leading coefficient? 1. Ano yung leading term?
X5.
X raised to 5. Nakuha na.
Yes.
Anong po pala yun?
Let's try to evaluate naman this polynomial using x is equal to negative 1. Okay. So, anong gagawin ulit? You need to change all the
X.
x into
Negative 1.
negative
Negative
1. So, p of negative 1 is equal to negative 1 raised to 5 minus 6 times negative 1 raised to 4 plus negative 1 raised to 3 minus 7. Yung tinuro ko kanina, kapag even na, kapag odd number ito, what would be the sign? Uy. Gising.
Yes.
So, negative 1 raised to 5, that would become negative 1. Kasi nga, odd number, therefore it is negative. Kapag ito naman, we have negative 6, negative 1 times raised to 4. Kapag even,
1.
kapag even,
Ay, negative.
that would be
4.
positive 1. Ano 4?
Ang inisip ko.
1 lang inisip natin dito.
Depends, sir. Magiging positive.
Kapag odd number, it is negative. Kapag positive, that would become,
Positive.
I mean, kapag even, that would become positive. Ito, 3.
Okay.
X raised to 3.
Negative.
Negative.
That would be
Negative.
negative 1. Then, sulat na lang natin, minus 7.
Negative.
Therefore, negative 1 minus 6 times 1. Negative 1. So, 6 times 1?
Negative 6.
Negative 6 plus negative 1 minus 7. So, negative 1 minus 6.
Positive 6. Bakit?
That would become negative 1 minus 6.
Ay,
That would
negative
become
1 minus
negative.
5.
Ha? May utang kang piso. Kulang ka ulit ng 6.
Ano
That would become
tanong?
negative 7.
Ano yung tanong?
Negative 1 minus 6.
Negative 7.
Okay. So, negative 1 plus negative 7 plus negative 1.
Negative 8.
Negative 6.
6. Ang galing.
8.
Minus
Bakit
7.
Bakit 8?
May utang kang 7. Dinagdagan mo ng isa.
Ah, okay, gets ko na.
8. Wala kang naburaot. Ganun yun. So, ano. Alam nyo na. Gets na. Okay. So, we have negative 8 minus 7 ulit.
Negative.
Negative 15. Ay.
That would be negative 15. So, this is P is equal to negative, P of negative 1 is equal to negative 15. Nakuha.
No.
No.
Isa pa. Isa pa.
Okay. Sige, isa pa. Anong gusto mo? Isa pa o sapak?
Isa pa.
Isa pa?
Isapak na lang, sir. Mas
Isapak.
maganda yun.
Hindi
Okay.
naman naabot yung istapak sinasabi nyo.
Isa pa.
Kaya nga, ikaw nga, hindi ka makasapak. Inasal ka. Hindi ka makasapak.
Okay, so let's try to have another example. Ito, P of x is equal to 5x minus 7 plus 3x raised to 2.
Magbubulot ng kulay.
Oh, ito. Oh, negative 1 ulit para madali. Negative 1, negative 1. Anong gagawin? What is the leading term?
Yes.
What is the leading
5.
term? Leading term.
D.
Ano yung
7.
Leading
Three.
term.
Three.
Leading
3x squared.
term. Leading term.
3x squared.
3x squared. Leading constant, leading coefficient.
Squared.
2x squared ka ako?
Coefficient. 3. How about the degree? Ulitin rin natin.
Negative
Negative 7. How about, sorry. Degree pala, degree.
aliwa.
That would be 2.
2.
What is the
Degree.
constant term?
Negative 7.
Yun yung negative 7. Okay.
Negative
Aliwa. That would be negative 7.
Aliwa,
Okay.
sir.
Aliwa. See. Okay. How about, let's try to evaluate. So, negative 1 pa din is equal to 5. Lahat ng x, palitan mo ng negative
Negative 1.
Negative.
1. Okay. Tanggalin mo na sa exponent. Okay. So, 5. 1 minus 7 plus 3. Negative 1 squared.
1. Positive.
Ha?
Positive 1.
Positive 1. So, 5 times negative 1.
Negative
Negative
5.
5.
Minus 7. 3 times 1.
3.
3.
Negative 5 minus 7.
12.
Negative 12. Plus 3.
9.
Negative
9. So,
9.
P of negative 1 is equal to negative 9. Nakuha?
Yes.
Hmm.
Okay.
Gets na?
Opo.
Okay. So, finish your activity kasi next week, it will be your exam. So, umaga tayo on Thursday,
Ilang
Kasi
days
sa hapon
yung
may
exam?
klase kayo. Sa hapon may iba kayong examen. Therefore, kasabay ng math, meron pa kayong kasabay na aral pan. So umaga, math,
Grabe.
sa hapon aral pan.
Ilang
My God.
days yung exam?
4. Kasi sabi ko nga, October 30, wala nang pasok hanggang November 4. Okay? So take note of that. October 26 hanggang
Walang pasok nun, sir.
29, yun yung may pasok. O yun yung exam.
Sem break.
Yes,
Sir,
parang
walang
sem
pasok
break.
nun.
Parang sem break.
Sem break. Ilang days? Ilang
Sir,
days
parang
yun?
lang. Sir, parang lang, pero may sem break pa.
Yun nga yun.
May sem
Sem
break
break
pala
yun.
kami.
Sem break yan. Para naman makapagpahinga-hinga kayo. Okay? So, yun lamang sa araw na ito. Eugene, okay ka pa?
Nag-iisip pa siya ng
Si Ugo, may tanong pala ako.
Ang dumi ng camera.
May tanong
Sir,
ka pa,
pwede
Eugene?
magtanong.
Ano yan?
Wala.
Ano yan? Wait lang, si Jelaisha muna. Yung performance?
Kaya paggawa nyo, kahit maiksi lang yung video.
Yes.
Hanggang ilang-
Friday. Friday na lang.
How many minutes?
How many minutes?
Kahit 1
Sir, di
minute,
ba?
okay na.
Kahit okay na yun. Kahit
1
kunti
minute,
lang. Yes.
okay lang.
Yes.
Kakatanong nun?
Yes. Basta may maganda.
Sasayaw.
Naka-uniform ha?
Sasayaw.
Naka-uniform.
Sir, pag 10 seconds lang.
Naka-uniform?
Hindi pwede.
Complete as in?
Kung half lang naman yung nabi-video, di o half lang. Ganon. Parang, kunyari, ang mathematics namin,
Sir, kailan
ay ako'y sabog na. Ganon, pwede yun. So, bahala kayo kung it's either a TikTok or parody. Bahala kayo kung anong gusto nyo.
Sabog na.
Ako'y sabog na. Ganon. Sa mathematics, ako'y sabog na. Ganon.
Bibi na ta.
Bahala na kayo kung anong gusto nyo, okay? So, do it until tomorrow na lang, ha?
I-propose sa mo, Dok.
I-send sa messenger sa akin or pwede nyo nang i-post sa Edmodo.
Messenger na lang ako.
Ayaw
Hindi ko
mag-post
alam
sa
ang
mo din, mami.
Okay lang, sa messenger na lang. May katanungan pang iba?
Wala na.
Wala na?
Wala na, sir.
July siya?
Sir, ako po.
Ano yan?
Sir, kahit anong pan, kahit anong... Ay, wag na po. Wag na.
Ha?
Ano mo na nga sister, magtatanong.
Magkasama na nga kayo eh.
Kahit anong kanta, kung gusto mo yung mathematics, papaya. Ay, hindi. Ano yun? Basta ganun. Wala na kayo. Papaya? Mathematics? Papaya? Kinalaman ng papaya sa mathematics. Bahala na kayo. You can search on the internet. You can do a parody. Bahala kayo kung saan nyo gustong mag-video yung sarili nyo, okay?
Yes.
Okay.
So that would be your performance task in music and mathematics.
Wala kaming mapping ngayon.
Ilang points?
Meron po, merong mape, pero walang exam.
How many points?
Ba walang nag-discuss ng mape?
Ako yung mape nyo. Music lang ako, pero sa science naman, health.
PE.
Science is health. Ang PE nyo is, I think, ano ba yung PE? English. English ang alam ko.
English?
Ay, Filipino pala.
English.
Parang Filipino. Kasi ang TLE nyo is, araling panlipunan. Yun yung kasama niya.
Wala kaming performance tax sa Pilipino.
Ask nyo sila, yung mga teachers nyo, kung wala namang binigay, di wala.
Pasok kahapon. Hindi
Walang
na-discuss yung gagawin namin sa worksheets.
Walang pasok kahapon kasi may bagyo. Walang,
Pati naman ngayon
walang teacher.
Pero init ka pa.
Sir, pero hindi na-discuss yung gagawin namin sa Pilipino. Paano yun?
Tanongin nyo si teacher niya sa chat nyo lang siya or mag-message kayo sa kanya. So yun lamang, okay na?
Yes.
Ano pa bang katanungan?
Wala na po.
Akin nang tatapusin ang inyong buhay. Charot. So
Walang
later,
camera.
this afternoon, wala na po tayong live
Bakit?
discussion.
Bye.
It's your worksheet. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye po.